In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks in Microsoft Planner. If you want to break a larger task into smaller, trackable actions, using subtasks is a simple and effective way to do it. In Microsoft Planner, these subtasks are created inside the checklist section of a task. This is especially helpful when a single task includes multiple smaller things that need to be completed before the whole task is done. To get started, open Microsoft Planner and go to your plan board. This is the main view where your tasks are organized, often in columns or buckets. Once you're on the correct board, take a moment to find the task you want to update. Make sure you choose the main task that will contain the smaller action items you want to track. Next, click on the task. This will open the task details panel where you can view and edit more information. Inside this panel, you'll usually see things like the task name, due date, priority, notes, and other details. What we're looking for here is the checklist section because that's where Planner lets you create subtasks. Now scroll down until you see the checklist section. Depending on how much information is already inside the task, you may need to scroll a little or a lot. If you don't immediately see it, just continue down through the task details until the checklist area appears. This section is designed for smaller to-do items that sit underneath the main task. Once you've found the checklist section, click into the field provided, type the name of your subtask, and then press enter. As soon as you do that, the subtask will be added to the list. You can repeat this same action for every additional subtask you want to include. Try to keep each subtask short and specific so it's easy to understand and check off later. This approach works well because it gives you a clearer view of progress without needing to create a completely separate task for every tiny action. For example, instead of one broad task with no detail, you can turn it into a task with a practical checklist that helps you stay organized and focused. And that's it. To create subtasks in Microsoft Planner, go to your plan board, open the task, scroll down to the checklist section, and enter each subtask name one by one. Once they're added, you can check them off as work gets completed, making it much easier to track progress at a glance.